If you could give us 3 tips on co-parenting, what would they be?
Between my ex-wife, we have 3 sons that have half her genes, half my genes. Doesn't matter how upset I get. I never talk badly about my children's mother in front of them. That's why I go to therapy. I think for myself, I had to learn when to tap out during difficult conversation and being transparent about my emotions. Not having difficult conversations when I was heated. Recognizing that there were certain patterns between my ex and myself, and there's certain ways that they know and I know how to maybe push a button, and not wanting our children to see those patterns. I think the other piece was keep the focus on the well-being of our children or our sons. So even though we're not married, we're still a part of a team. It's important to vent in a way that's not just about this other person, but going back and like maybe apologizing later on, or just say, hey, I recognize I did this thing back when. And I think have honest dialogues with my ex when possible, but not shaming conversations. So using language is not shaming, but being honest.
We forget at times that everybody plays a role in their own relationships.